If you want to set a custom message tone on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all, we can open Settings on your phone. Next, choose Sound and Vibration. Now in here, scroll down and search for notification tone. So this is the first option. We can go over here to notification tone, choose on this device, and then you can choose the custom sound that should be played when you receive a new notification, and this includes a new message from the message app. However, if you want to change the sound just for new messages and only for new messages that you receive in the message app, then in that case you want to go to Apps in Settings instead. Then we're gonna go to App Management. In here, find the Messages app. There we go. Now we're gonna go to the Manage Notifications, and then in here choose Incoming Messages. So we can then select the ring option, choose Settings if needed, and then over here we can once again go to On This Device and we can select the custom sound. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.